Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Equinox Premier. Comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as heated and ventilated leather seats, dual pane sunroof, lane keep assist, as well as 360-degree camera, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this two-tone finish here with cup holder and paneling storage on the bottom, equipped with our rear liftgate control and our seat memory. It's accompanied by our Bose speaker sound system. Comes up here to the power locks, power mirrors, and the power windows. And here you're going to have the two-tone heated and ventilated leather seats with driver adjustable lumbar. Very comfortable. Left side you're going to have your vents and your lighting controls. And left side of the steering wheel you're going to have your cruise control, forward collision alert, as well as your heated steering wheel and your lane keep assist. The right side is your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. So with the odometer cluster control, you can pretty much access all of your vehicle information from your fuel economy as well as your trip range, oil life, tire pressure, brake filter, music, as well as navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and other settings as well. You're going to have your push to start as well as your climate control here with your heated and ventilated seats, auto stop, and here onto the infotainment system. Equipped with Apple Carplay and Android Auto with also built-in navigation, as well as built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. You can also access Sirius XM, OnStar services, as well as your front, rear, and your 360-degree camera, as well as your trailer hitch camera. Down below, you're going to have two USB ports, as well as an SD card reader, along with a wireless charging pad. You're going to have your park assist there as well, your all-wheel drive, the shifter with the parking brake, and extra cup holders. Center console with two USB ports inside. Passenger side, also power adjustable, heated and ventilated with that two-tone finish. Same with the door. It's going to go across the dash as well. Bose speakers up top. You can also access your reading lamps, your OnStar services, and your SOS, as well as your dual pane sunroof. You're going to have these 19-inch alloy wheels with the paint matched mirror caps and keyless entry door handles with a chrome luggage rack up top with deep tint rear glass. As well as the back, you're going to have your black badging. There we go. Of course, you're going to have the 60/40 rear folding split seats, as well as extra 12-volt DC port and hooks in the back. Lift up this, you're also going to have extra wheel well storage just on the bottom. It's a very spacious rear. Alright, moving on to the rear, same style. You're going to have the cup holder and storage accompanied by our speakers. Comes up here to the power windows with the chrome accents. Of course, you're going to have the adjustable rear seating with lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's seat with rear ventilation, heated seating, as well as USB ports and AC wall charger on the bottom there. Right center, cup holder armrest, lamps and handles on the side. Right above you is that dual pane sunroof. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Equinox Premier. Comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine, as well as a dual pane sunroof, heated and ventilated leather seats, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, heated rear seating, power liftgate, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.